All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Cardano, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking across the board today, happy Thursday. We did start off on a little bit of a negative note. You're seeing a little bit of a retracement for, the projects. And that is because Bitcoin and the dominance yet again. But we cannot be forgetting that if you bought over the course of the last, I would say Monday or Tuesday, if you bought the bloodbath, you did see, projects go up quite a bit. So since then, market is still up quite a bit, but we need to understand what's happening on the shorter time scales. But if you're looking at Cardano right now, the price of Cardano is currently sitting at $1.11. It's still remaining in the green, up 2.2% in USD, up 4.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, almost at $40 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 2.4 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the dominance index, we did actually go briefly down to a 56.18%. But actually, yeah. So yeah, 56.18% just a few hours back, and it has picked up a little bit. Reason why it has picked up a little bit is due to this fact. So let me show you the Bitcoin chart on the hourly time frame. So, Bitcoin obviously was sitting at about $102,536 even this morning, but saw a little bit of a minor pullback. Pretty much still at $100,000, not exactly currently at 99,800, but the fact that it did see that retracement caused the dominance to go up a little bit, which of course in return has caused some of the altcoins to go down. So not a surprise to any one of us on this channel, of course. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Cardano, understanding what's happening with the price of ADA and what we could be expecting. So right here is the daily time frame, and if you're looking at it from the daily time frame perspective, you are seeing that of course Cardano has some excitement around it. The fact that it's no longer in that long consolidation phase, what people used to call boring, but some people that accumulated around that range are up quite a bit. But we are below the 61.8 fib zone, but still in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But what's the most interesting thing that I want you guys to be focusing on is this right here. The fact that we are back above, the key resistance. We know the importance of this key resistance. I've spoken to you guys about this countless of times, and that's exactly where the price is currently sitting above, which is amazing to see. But let's take a closer look and really understand what is happening on the hourly time frame, and of course what we could be projecting going into Friday morning. So let's take a look at this Cardano. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame and get rid of this right here, and there we are. So there's no secret that the market pulled back since Monday. We did see a bloodbath. Monday, Tuesday was a little bit of a red day for the market, and not just for ADA. Everything went down, and you could see we went actually below this key support line, retested the likes of the 91 cents. Double retest at the 91 cents. If you somehow got in around that range, guess what? You would be up right now about 21.48% in a matter of just 2 to 3 days, which tells you everything you need to know. That momentum is still there, but that does not mean that you won't see the price of Cardano correlating with the likes of the Bitcoin price. The entire market reacts to the Bitcoin move, and Cardano, like I said, is no exception. But with that said, you are back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, even though we never really left the 78.6. Most importantly, we're back above this key level at the dollar price point. It's a psychological price point. Of course, we know about that, and we're sitting above there, and this is amazing to see in my opinion. But right now, what you're noticing is the price did make its way up to the $1.18 zone. We do have significant amount of resistance, not just from this year, obviously dating back to the previous cycle as well. Let me just show you guys that. Look at this, guys. We have significant amount of resistance around that range. Of course, if this resistance is able to break out, we could be making our way back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And speaking about the 61.8, we came very, very close to that just yesterday. We were about only 2% away, but you need to understand Bitcoin saw a retracement that is going to have an impact. But this time around, I really do believe once ADA does see that close into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, I think we could start seeing that push that a lot of people are anticipating. But yeah, I'm really, really liking this right now, the way Cardano is holding. But your targets should be in the 61.8, because of course we briefly touched it early in the month of December, but we haven't really stayed above here because this is a major level, of course. So it's not a surprise that we didn't really hold tight around this range. And on top of that, Bitcoin consolidated and we went down to Bitcoin had a retrace. We went down to the likes of the 91 cents, but that is totally okay. We need to look at the bigger picture. ADA is in this upward trajectory, and I do believe the next leg up will come for all these utility projects like XRP, like XLM. ADA, HBAR, you guys get the idea. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions right now on ADA? Where do you see Cardano's price closing the year of 2024 at? And yeah, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe and come join the Crypto ZX army. Cannot thank you guys enough for all the support that you guys show me. It's overwhelming and it means the world. Continue supporting, and you guys know your boy Crypto ZX will bring these updates for you guys on a daily basis. But yeah, with that said, I'll close out the video here. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.